Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Zelda dishes in real life. First, understand that many in-game recipes are simple combinations of 2 or 3 ingredients. You can easily replicate these by focusing on their primary effects, like restoring health or boosting stats. We will adapt real-world cooking techniques to achieve similar visual and taste results. Always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavor and presentation, making your culinary adventures truly legendary. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a master Hylian chef. Finding the right ingredients is key to bringing Hyrule's cuisine to your kitchen. You can easily substitute common vegetables like carrots for swift carrots or radishes for big radishes. For the many in-game fungi, use various real-world mushrooms such as cremini or shiitake. Hylian rice can be replaced with regular white or brown rice, providing a versatile base for many dishes. Don't forget to utilize everyday fruits like apples, berries, and bananas for their in-game counterparts, ensuring your pantry is always stocked for adventure. Let's try a simple recipe: hearty mushroom skewers. First, gather 3 to 5 large mushrooms like portobello or cremini and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Slice the mushrooms into 1/2-inch pieces and toss them with the olive oil, salt, and pepper. Next, thread the seasoned mushrooms onto wooden skewers, leaving a small space between each piece. Grill or pan-fry the skewers for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are tender and slightly browned. This simple dish will give you a hearty boost, just like in the game. To truly master Zelda-inspired cooking, experiment with different flavor combinations to discover your own unique Hylian recipes. Don't be afraid to use fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro to add vibrant color and aroma to your dishes, making them visually appealing. Present your food creatively on rustic plates or wooden boards for an authentic in-game feel. Finally, share your delicious culinary creations with friends and family to spread the joy of Hyrule. Happy cooking, and may your adventures in the kitchen be as epic as any quest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.